Hello guys, welcome back once again to Lytical Prep. So today we are looking at this. We have x exponent 6 minus x exponent 3 is equal to 2. And for this, we have to solve for the value of x. Now, if today is your first day of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. So from here, we can express this as x exponent 3 times 2 minus x exponent 3 is equal to 2. Okay, from here, you can say that x exponent 3 all squared minus x exponent 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, let's our x exponent 3 be equal to k. So our equation now becomes k squared minus k minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, we say that k squared, this we can express it as k minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. We are using factorization method to solve this. So from here, we say that k squared minus 2k all into brackets plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, we can factorize k out, leaving k minus 2. And here, you can say that plus 1 into bracket k minus 2 is equal to 0. From here, we can get k plus 1 into bracket this and this are common. So we take 1. So we take k minus 2 and it's equal to 0. Now, can say that k plus 1 is equal to 0, then k minus 2 is equal to 0. From here, k is equal to negative 1. From here, k is equal to 2. So we're having two values. Now let's recall that our s cube was equal to k. Okay, so with this, get s exponent 3 is equal to negative 1. Okay, so from here we say that x exponent 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so here we say that x, this one we can put so from here I say that x plus 1 outside, then x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here we have x plus 1 is equal to 0, or here we have x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's continue here. From here we have our x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to negative 1. Okay, then x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here, our a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1, c is equal to 1. So our x is equal to 1, okay, 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 all over 2. Okay, so our x is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 3 over 2. So x is equal to, well, here, I see the x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3i all over 2. So you can see that this is a complex solution. So we reject this value of x. Okay, now let's solve for the other side, which was k minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, we say that k is equal to 2. So we say that k is equal to 2. And we know that our s exponent 3 is equal to k. Okay, so x exponent 3 is equal to 2. So to solve this, you can use square both sides of the equation or use the cubic root of this. So taking cubic root of both sides, this will cancel this, leaving x equal to this. We can rewrite it as 2 exponent 1 on 3. Okay, so this is our second value for x. Okay, and x is equal to -1. So these are the correct solutions for this question. Now let's prove to see if indeed this value satisfies the equation. Okay, so from x exponent 6 minus x exponent 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so when x is equal to 2 exponent 3, 1 on 3, I'm going to get 2 exponent 1 on 3 to bracket exponent 6 minus 2 exponent 1 on 3 to bracket exponent 3 minus 2 is it equal to 0. So from here you see that 2 exponent 1 on 3 multiplied by 6 minus 2 exponent 1 on 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we have 2 exponent, this one we cancel this, which is going to be 2 exponent 2 minus this one will cancel this, minus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 exponent 2 is 4, then minus this minus 2 minus 2, we are going to get 4 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is 0, and 0 is equal to 0. So it is true that x is equal to 2 exponent 1/3. Now let's check for -1. So we are going to get -1 exponent 6 minus bracket -1 exponent 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, the power is 6, which is even. So we are going to get positive value here minus this and this to be odd. So it will be -1. -1 times this. So -1 times negative, we are going to get +1. Okay, minus 2 and is equal to 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is 0 equal to 0. So it is true that our x is equal to 2 exponent 1/3 and x is equal to -1. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.